This is a short video explaining how to use the Discussions function in Editorial Manager, which is useful for collating comments without going through a formal peer review process. This video will use the example of a first draft intervention review that has been submitted for editorial approval for the first time. The submission has been assigned to me and the ME submission check has been completed. Before we initiate a full internal review, I need to ask a couple of editors for advice. The Discussions function is useful in this scenario. First, you'll need to log in to Editorial Manager using your Cochrane account single sign-on. You will be taken to the Managing Editor main menu and your editor to-do list. Go to New Assignments to find the right review. Then in the Action Links column, select Initiate Discussion. At the top, go to the Choose Topic Template drop-down list, and I'm going to select Master Topic Template, as the reason for holding this discussion does not fit the other options. I'm going to enter the topic and add some initial comments to give the editors some background. Scroll down to Editor Candidates to select the editors you want to invite to the discussion. I will add the first surname in the first field, then select Add, then add the second editor's name. Click Search, then select both editors. Click on Proceed to customize letters to select the right letter template and customize it if needed. Choose the appropriate letter from the drop-down list, and I'm going to keep it as Discussion Invitation. Click the Customize hyperlink to see the letter content and make any changes as required. You can select Preview Letter to see what will be sent out to this editor. Close the pop-up, then click Save and OK. If you also need to customize the letter to the second editor, you will need to go through the same process for them. Customize letters, show an asterisk next to the person's name. Select Confirm Selections and proceed. You will be informed that an email has been sent to the following editors, asking them to participate in the discussion. Click Close. When you return to the action links for this review, you will see that it now says Discussions. Select that and click View to see the details and any comments received so far. Here you have the option of viewing the submission, adding further comments to the discussion, which I will do so now, adding further participants, or concluding the discussion. And in order to show you the collated comments from the editors in this demo, I'm going to add an editor's comment by proxying as them and responding to the invitation. Note that the editor has the option of logging into their EM account or responding to the link in the invitation email to go straight to the right review. To find the editor in question, I'm going to copy their name, then save and close the discussion to go back to the Managing Editor main menu page. At the top, click Search People, paste in their name and click Search. When their name appears below, all roles that can be proxied will be highlighted yellow. Once I identify the right editor, I can click on her editor role to proxy in. From the editor's main menu, scroll down to Submissions with Active Discussions to find our review. In the Action Links column, there is the option of viewing the submission, and in the Topic column, you can see the nature of the discussion request. Click on Discussions and select View. I will now add the editor's response to the comments field and click Post. And you can see that the editor also has the option here of viewing the submission and inviting other participants to join the discussion if needed. Now I'm going to click Save and Close again to close the window. And I'll click on Log Out to stop proxying as the editor. I can now go back to my own main menu and select Submissions with Active Discussions. Find the submission, select Discussions and View. So I can see all the submitted comments, and because of differing views, in this case it looks like we need to approach the coordinating editor for a final decision. Select Add Participants. Add any comments in the comments field and search for the editor by name as done previously. Click Select and proceed to customize letters. Keep the letter as the discussion invitation. Click Customize to add the request to view the editor's comments and make a decision. Click Save and then OK. Confirm selections and proceed. And close. Once the coordinating editor has added their comments, it is time to conclude the discussion. Again, go to Action Links, Discussions, View, and select Conclude Discussion. And then Close to close the pop-ups. The submission has now gone from the Submissions with Active Discussions section. Access the review again via New Assignments. Click on Discussions, which shows that the discussion status is closed, and the option of viewing all the comments by selecting View. When you return to the action links for this review, you will see that it now says Discussions. Select that and click View to see the details and any comments received so far.